Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified and welcome to this new video. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to actually download TEMU on your phone or tablet. Now simply follow my easy steps and let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you need to do is go down in the description. There's a link and all you have to do is go down to your browser in your mobile phone. From there go down to the search bar. Type in this link. Now this link allows you to download the application and it allows you to get a first user discount of 50% off. So your first order will actually be 50% off. So that's a huge discount already. Now if you use this code, this easy link, it will give you also a $100 coupon code to use in TEMU. So simply head down to the description, type in this link, and from there you can actually download the TEMU application. What you can also do is simply head down to the application from my link in the description, and from there you can use this code to get a coupon code for $100. Now it's very easy, just simply download the TEMU app from the App Store through the link in the description, and that's it. Now if you got any questions regarding the link or the coupon code, simply ask it in the comments down below and I will try to do my very best to help you. Most importantly, thank you for watching.